Oh my God, the week has been so crazy. We gonna upload late. Well, if you're seeing this now, we're uploading. You'll see the video, whatever. But sorry we uploaded late. We're gonna try to keep it consistent. I can't even talk, man. A consistent schedule. Every Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. We're gonna try to do it. We're thinking about doing it twice a week, but for now, once a week. We'll keep you updated. The video is coming. Take a look at it.
Alright, so I'm about to do a quick little review on this dessert shop that I stopped by a couple minutes ago, and this was kind of like my husband's gift to me for our anniversary, and well, part of his gift to me for our anniversary. So this was my first time being there, and it felt different, and you know, I'm interested to try out their products because I do have a really severe sweet tooth. So yeah, it's called the French Workshop, and I'm in love with their packaging. Like, yo, their packaging is the shit. So I picked up, you see, they even got like their logo on the bag and stuff. If you know me, I am a sucker for packaging. Like, note that. These are mini apple pies. Then I got, what was this? This was a Nutella. This is called a Nutella Madeleine. So French and fancy. It's a French bakery. This is macaroons. I've never tried macaroons before. This, oh my gosh, I was dying to try this simply because I've never had this before, and I wanted my first time to having it to be like authentic, like actual French stuff. But this is like a box. I'm telling you, their packaging is like the shit. So this is creme brulee. This is a how should I say this? Which one is this? This is a pistachio creme brulee. And I'm telling you, I have a severe sweet tooth, so I really can't wait to dig into that. But I really want to dig into the macaroons because, child, I have chocolate macaroon and vanilla macaroon. I'm gonna try the vanilla because the worker there told me that she really likes the vanilla. So this is a vanilla macaroon. Child, ooh, it's very like moist and tender. It's different. I mean, obviously it's different, but it tastes like something I've tasted before, but it's nothing I've tasted before. I don't know if that makes any sense, but and it's like very like I wouldn't say tender, but it's very fragile. My lighting is like really like bright, but it's very fragile, kind of, but I like it. I'm a very fat girl when it comes to sweets. I have a really bad sweet tooth. Help me. Let me try the chocolate one. Let's try the chocolate one and see. This is what the chocolate one looks like. It's like a... Let me taste it first before I say anything. Yep. You see? It's kind of like a brownie, but it's not a brownie. And it's so different from a brownie, but man, I can't put my finger on it. It just tastes so good. Oh, child. I have 2 more in here. One more of each. So save that for another time. And I'm not really gonna have like dig into too much sweet stuff right now, but I want to try the Nutella Madeleine because I already had apple pie. I mean, I already know what apple pie tastes like. I don't know if it's gonna be different, but I'm gonna put that off for another day. But the Nutella Madeleine, it kind of looks like a, I can't really. There's a candy at the deli store that looks like it, but I can't put my finger and say what it is, but I know what Nutella tastes like. I don't know if it's... Because I know there's like the Nutella that's in Europe and the Nutella that's here is 2 different things. Let me try to open it up. This is what the inside looks like. And it has like some powdered sugar on top. So I swear I'm about to eat this whole thing. For real. I'm sure it's a fat girl. This is so good. Oh my god. This is good. It's like a moist, like a moist cake with Nutella in between it, but oh my god, this is so good. Hi.
You hit all the right spots with the groceries?
I'm recording.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come. Taste this. You almost didn't get some. You almost did not get some. Here.
See, I know you're my wife.
Come get another bite. Look at you. Don't bite off my finger now. Shit.
Give me some.
I'm giving you some. You didn't take some.
You got me on camera.
You don't look that cute. Get up my camera.
Oh, that's a nice setup. Yo, you lit.
All right. Bite that end off, because... Oh, I tasted the macaroons.
They good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this thing is so
He's so lucky. He came right on time. Because he would have never had one bite of that.
This thing is still rendering.
It is?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, well.
I'm sorry. Continue with the video.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to do a taste test of each of these things now because this place just blew me away. And they have different, like, they have a variety of different desserts. Like, a variety of different desserts. Like, desserts I've never heard of or seen before. Like, bro, this is the little mini apple pies that they have.
No, you don't love that.
The little mini apple pies. You tasted it before?
I had 16 of them already.
16? Talk about me having a sweet tooth.
4, 8, 12, 16. I had it 4 times.
Oh.
And each time I bought 4.
This is good. I mean, it tastes like apple pie, but it doesn't taste fattening. Like, you know how some apple pie is like a big chunk of crust and then a little bit of apple pie, like actual the filling. Yeah, This is like the right amount. It's like a thin layer of crust with like the filling, and it's the perfect. My fat girl senses are like tingling.
They've been tingling.
Mm.
I don't like this. This is disgusting.
The macaroon?
The vanilla macaroon is nasty. She lied to
Yeah,
me.
it tasted different than the chocolate. The chocolate is better.
Yeah.
See, we're having a little fat couple moment right now. This is going on my IGTV.
You should put it on YouTube.
This is going on my IGTV.
And YouTube.
My IGTV.
Okay. Now that I'm in the video, you put it on YouTube.
Who you think you are? Who you think you are? I should go on live right now, right?
No, you good.
What?
Huh?
What?
But I can't save the live video. I can save this.
The Instagram. You can't save Instagram live? You can't. I'm gonna have me another. Actually, no, I'm gonna save this apple pie. Because I don't know what the creme brulee tastes like. Wait, I'm mad. They didn't include no fork or nothing for me to eat this
You
with.
get your own fork, bro.
I mean, they're fancy or whatever. Ew. They somewhat fancy. Can you give me a bottle of water, babe? Please.
Look at my gaming chair.
That I got him.
Alright, go.
That was like a little present that I surprised him with. Oh, I could use this dish after. I like these people.
What is it, a plastic dish?
No,
It's glass?
it's ceramic.
This is glass.
This is ceramic, babe.
No, that's glass.
Ceramic and glass is similar.
Ceramic and grass?
Glass. I said glass. Leave me alone.
Let me
Glass.
get some.
I need a spoon. They have little pistachio shavings. I forgot to show y'all. But this is the creme brulee. Pistachio creme brulee. Never had a creme brulee before, but
Here's a spoon.
I love pistachio. Shit, I would really do that. Like,
Hey, yo, bro.
oh.
Yeah.
I think that's the burnt part. My bad. Hold on. Babe, relax. Relax. Mm. Wait, check the drawer if you see.
Here, wash your mouth, baby, please.
Huh?
Wash your mouth.
Mm. Of course, I gotta have a little water.
I mean, you have juicy juice.
Who
Not
the
like,
fuck?
not the brand juicy juice.
Who the fuck drank juicy juice? Give me that.
Creme brulee has that like glass type crust. Like, stick the spoon into it.
Yes, I know what it has, cause it's literally burnt to the top. I know how it's made. I just never tasted it. Okay, let me fully get a spoon in, cause I have to shorthand myself. Okay, pray for me. Say a prayer. Say a prayer before I go into it. Okay. I don't think you would like it.
You like it?
I like it.
What's it to bagu?
Cause it's cause it's different. But here.
Yeah.
Relax.
I'm not a baby. I don't drink pudding. I
Babe,
don't want pudding.
can you just taste it?
I don't want pudding.
Just one bite. Just
No.
taste.
This is stuff you give to baby. I'm not a baby.
He's killing me.
I don't eat jebe.
Just one bite.
I don't want jebe.
Fuck you. Okay.
That thing is disgusting. I don't wonder why they gave you the ceramic.
What? So you could feel like you got a bang for your butt?
Yeah. It's like, yeah, take it all. I'm still gonna sell it to you because it tastes nasty.
I like it because...
How you sell something that tastes nasty?
Peter, stop hating. I like it.
You got a little something... What? In that big old box, they put this little thing?
Mm-hmm.
No, they're way too fancy.
I like them. I like their branding. You know me, I'm all about my branding and stuff.
Entrepreneurs.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the entre?
Preneurs the entre.
I'll let you get back to your video.
What? You're fun when you're in it with me.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I ain't tell you to do the most now. I ain't tell you to do the most.
Yo, eat your jebe, okay?
Yeah, leave me and my Gerber baby food alone.
No, it's not Gerber, it's jebe.
Jebe? Jebe.
Alright, stop.
What? It's my video. Why are you hating?
I don't like your camera. Your camera make me look black. I'm blacker than black and I'm black, y'all. Because I'm blacker than black and I'm...
Let me help you.
Oh, you got lights.
Mm-hmm.
You got light, boo-boo.
Well, it didn't help you, but...
It did help, actually.
It did?
Mm-hmm.
I got too much light.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, well.
Because I'm black and black and I'm black.
I'm going to save this for another day. I just want to... Please do?
I came in here hungry. What you looking at me like that for?
We done went out to a whole, like, Japanese restaurant.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Why is it a problem?
Because we went to Chinese people food, and you know these people, when they give you their food, after 2 hours, you hungry again. You could eat.
It's not even... It's not a Chinese food. It's an Asian restaurant.
Well...
Like...
They're talking about they cook Thai, Japanese, Chinese.
I love their food. I'm sorry.
I'm good.
Anyways, back to my apple pie.
Hey, let me show you something with this. I'm going to show you something. It's a cool trick. Say ah.
Ah.
Hold on. Say ah again.
Can I get my apple pie, please? Peter!
You tasted it, didn't you?
You don't want this. You don't want that problem with me. We ain't fighting about... We not about to fat fight over this shit.
Wait, are you making the ASMR?
Mm-mm.
Alright, you're annoying.
You the one that wanted to make them. Okay, that's it. That's it for that. My creme brulee is saved.
A nasty brulee.
Anyways. I'm gonna wash it
Oh,
down.
that's why it's creme brulee.
They burned the cream. Burnt cream.
In French, it's creme brulee.
Yeah. They burned the cream.
Ha ha, mon chéri. I want the creme brulee. You know? Ha 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 ha. I am the French guy, you know? I got different voices. Don't hate, appreciate.
Who got time to... You act like I don't see you.
Huh?
Right behind me doing bullshit.
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay.
Anyways.
How many times are you gonna say anyways?
Anyways.
Oops, my fault.
That's all I came here to do. To give y'all a little taste test with the French workshop. I'll put their address somewhere. Probably in the caption. It's in Garden City. They're all over the place, but the one that we went to is in Garden City. They have a wide variety. Stop.
That's your telephone.
Fuck you. They have a wide variety of desserts. It's a bakery, an artisan bakery, and they have a wide variety of desserts. Yeah, check him out if you're in town, if you're in the area. If you are in New York and you want to make the trip is worth it. I love the desserts. Coming from a fat girl, you should always trust a fat person when they tell you that something is good. So, hi Peter. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching, whoever did watch. I'll link this one's profile down in my caption and description box.
And you can send me the video too.
Excuse me?
So I could post it.
Whatever. Yeah, I'll send him the video. Alright, peace out.
We are sisters.
Ain't no damn sisters.
Damn, so
Yo, do we look alike?
I mean, I know y'all could tell the cuter one, but
Me, obviously.
Get out of here, dude.
Do we look alike? Like, because when we go out in public, people don't want to believe.
Your head is bigger than mine. You got a big head.
People don't want to believe that we're married. People think that we're brother and sister. Sometimes we like to troll them and actually make them think that we're brother and sister.
Yo, we should make a video saying that we're brother and sister in the title of the video, and we're like all over each other and stuff. Yo, that video.
It's too late for that. I think everybody knows I'm with you. Just saying.
We could try it. It might work.
Okay, we'll think about that. Yeah, thanks for watching, and peace out. See y'all in the next segment of, I don't know what to call this, but
see you in the next video.
You're so
she want action. Girl, you are free. Come make we go in a the house. She want action.